Hey there, what's going on? It's your man, Big Wheel, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Now, I know it's a new travel channel, but I'm not new to traveling. I've been traveling ever since I was first stationed in Europe in the military, and I gotta say, it was one of the most amazing times in my life. Traveling literally opened up the world to me. As a person who loved history, I was able to walk down the streets of places I had only read about. So why did I start this channel? I want to help as many people as I can get out there and travel, truly. Everything from the first cruise to a group trip to Petra. Hell, it would be amazing to be able to give away some trips in the future. I want to provide helpful hints and stay properly informed of the fast changing landscape that is travel. So that's it. That's my pitch. Now, I'd like you to come on the journey with me. And if you feel the same, just hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. And let's get to traveling.